Hello there and welcome back. Francois from How to Become More. Today, when things are going bad, focus outside. That's Bob Proctor's wisdom. What do I mean by that? Well, sometimes we're getting a bad day. I had a bad day today. But if I look at the fact that I have a bad day, it's because the outside circumstances were not in harmony with my agenda. So I thought I was in control. And so when things on the outside don't align with this, I feel like I'm going out of control. Therefore, if we focus outside of us for things to happen, we're going to be disappointed because the outside constantly moves. If it comes from inside, then you have something that is strong and powerful. So what did I do? A tip for you. I did, interestingly enough, I focused on serving others, adding value to others, helping my fellow man, helping others that were challenged today. And as I did that, the burden was lifted from me. And I ended the day with a smile on my face and a lightness to my step. We have the power to focus on what we want. And that power is ours. It's not anybody else's. Keep that power. When things go awry, to the right and to the left, don't let it derail you. Continue from within to focus on helping others, adding value. And when you do that, your life not only changes because of the new perspective, but you help others as well. And that's the way to do it. Until next time, make it a great day.